Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is countable and uncountable nouns. Students, in our previous lecture we know that these are the kinds of noun. Countable nouns mean the things, the nouns that we can count, while uncountable nouns are the things, the nouns that we cannot count. This lecture is for all students of Iqra School except Wasak branch. All other branches of Iqra School will use Iqra English grammar book for to learn grammar. Let's start. Countable and uncountable noun. The countable nouns can be counted. We know it very well. Learn it that they are found in two forms, singulars or plurals. Singulars mean single or one. Plurals mean more than one or many. The singulars, a singular noun is used for a single or one person, place, animal or thing, while the plurals, a plural noun is used for more than one person, place, animal or thing, like boy, singular, boys, plurals, city, cities, floor, flowers, idea, ideas. These are some rules to make plurals, like by adding s, by adding es, by adding ies, by adding ves, by changing the inside, walls, and exceptional cases. By adding s, most of the nouns make their plurals by adding s to the singulars. Students, most of the nouns make their plurals by adding s to the singulars. These are the words with which we add s, then its plural form made, like car become cars, girl, girls, cups, bees, schools, cows, desks. We add just s with these words to make our plural form from its singular form. By adding es, the nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, x or o. Learn it. I repeat again that the nouns that ends with the letters s, double s, sh, ch or x or o form their plurals by adding es to the singulars. We add es, the letters es, to make our plural form. Dress, dresses, ass, asses, glass, glasses, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, bush, bushes. The words that ends with the letters ch, we also add es with it, like match, matches, branch, branches, brunch, brunches. For x, we add es, it become foxes, fox, foxes, box, boxes, fax, faxes. For the words that ends with the letter o and s, we also add with it es to make our plural form from their singulars. Potato, potatoes, cargoes, volcanoes, buses, discusses, abacuses. Students, this is the another rule. By adding ies, the words ending in y followed by a consonant sound letter form their plurals by removing y and adding ies to the singulars. Students, the words that end with the letter y but followed by the consonant letters like L, B, R, M, then we remove y and add with it ies to make our plural form. Fly become flies, babies, baby become babies, story, stories, army, armies. This is the another case that the words ending in y but followed by a vowel sound form their plurals by adding s to the singular. Students, those words that ends with the letter y but followed by vowel sound letter, then we do not remove y, just add s with these words. Key become keys, day become days, toy, toys, way, ways. By adding vs, the words ending in f or fe form their plurals by removing the f and fe and adding ves. Students, those words that end with f or fe letters, then we will remove fe and f and add, instead of this we add ves to become our plural form. Wife become wives, lives, scarves, knives, thieves and loaves. By changing the inside walls, students, these are the words from which we make our plural form by changing the inside walls. Man, mane, tooth, teeth, we just change walls. Mouse, mice, woman, women, goose, geese, louse, lice. Exceptional cases, students, some words remain same, either they are singular or plural, like sheep, deer, aircraft, series and scissors and tongues. For children, for child, in plural form it become children, this is the another case. And ox, it become oxen. These are the some exceptional cases. These are the exercise. Change the singulars into plurals. Students, we know the rules that how can we make plural form from their singular. Halves, it end with letter f, that we add vs and remove the f. Halves, half, halves, bees, matches, teeth, shelves, monkeys, dresses, volcanoes, scissors, it becomes same, and calves. Exercise B, change the following plurals into singular. Students, it is very easy. You should change the following plurals into singulars, like sisters, sister, bush, babies become baby, box, boxes, box, heroes, hero, knives, knife, feet, foot, donkeys, FOOT, donkeys, donkey, lice, louse, deer, deers. Students, deer remains same, remove s, deer become deer. Deer is the exceptional case, it became same, deer become deer. Exercise C, fill in the blanks with correct plural form. Mr. and Mrs. Ali have 2 children. There are pictures on the wall. Mice give birth to their young ones. Write this M in capital form. The puppies are playing together. There are men and women in the market. Change the following sentences from singular to plural forms. Students, in these sentences, singular words are used. You will change these sentences from singular to plural forms, like the man had a handkerchief, the man had handkerchiefs. The child fell from the wall, the children fell from the walls. The thief stole a watch, money and a box of ring. The thief stole watches, money and boxes of rings. The woman gave her baby a toy. The women gave their baby. Students, her become their babies, toys. The boy saw a fox, a deer and a wolf in the zoo. The boy saw foxes, deer and wolves in the zoo. Change the following sentences from plural to singular forms. The ladies made tasty biscuits. The lady made tasty biscuit. Those flowers look beautiful. That flower looked beautiful. That is the singular form for the word those. Those ladies told stories. That lady told story. Cats killed the mice. Cat killed the mice. Do not change the tense, but change the words from plural to singular. The oxen ate grass. The ox ate grass. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Students, in description, here is a link given to you. Students, take the calligraphy class. Follow the link, search the link and take the class of calligraphy lesson 5. Stay safe at home. God bless you.